How to restart Realme device without power button. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can restart Realme device without power button. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up settings in your device. Under settings, scroll down and head over to accessibility. Under accessibility, again scroll down and head over to accessibility menu. Once you're here, make sure to turn on this toggle right here, then tap on allow. Then tap on got it. Go back to your home screen. Here you have accessibility menu on your home screen. If you tap on it, you will have all of these options. Tap on this power button and here you have an option to restart your device. Tap on restart and your device will restart. That's it. That's how you can restart Realme device with our power button. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.